Hi guys, and we're in the lovely Leicestershire. We're here for the UK National Rocketry Championships. We're here with our thermal kit, filming explosions and blasts and flames, and we're gonna have our high-speed cameras, and we're just gonna make everything go pop and bang and look amazing. Here we go! This is where they're going to do the firing. It's very cool. I think he said they fire from left to right or right to left. So it'll be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And what we're really looking at is just really concentrating on like the detonation, is getting that kind of thrust going. High-speed thermal imaging, which is really cool, has a through flame filter. So what you'll see is you'll just see the heat, but actually no exhaust from it when it launches. Come have a look where they're firing. This is quite cool. I might put mix here, so we can just move everything around. It's all on batteries, so it's all going to be portable.
Yeah, I was just going to see which lens gives me the best view of those 5 poles. We got to not get shot by rockets. Well, I've heard it's not very nice. Is that all right? Is it going? I've got flashing lights here. Right, I think that's about her.
For today, it's going to be my X-Series, so it's an X8580 HS, which is the high speed. So that's 1280 by 1020, and we're going to put the mix kit on. So for those who haven't heard about mix, it's where we can combine a visual camera and the thermal and record both at the same time, but then you can pull in and out of both feeds as you want to. What you can see now is some of the students from the universities are loading up the rockets. There'll be hopefully a few more minutes and we'll be filming. An obvious question is going to be, well, what's the advantage of thermal for rockets? One could be aerodynamics, so how efficient the body design is for flight. But one, probably the most important one, is depending on how you pack the black powder, has a direct correspondence to the flight path as well. It would drift one side or the other. So what we can do with the thermal is we can actually see when the ignition goes off, and as the heat builds up, we can understand the packing process and we can get profile information.
Good, right, so they're free floating, hanging, they're not pulling it out because the weight is supported, so you're good to go.
Give yourself room to maneuver should the rocket come towards you. Launching, 3, 2, 1.
Brilliant! Brilliant! Wow! Look at this. This is seriously cool.
Come here, quickly.
Look at this.
That's brilliant.
That is seriously cool.
I need a picture of that for you.
Look at that. Yeah. That is so cool. So you imagine the rocket, when that ignites, it's going from 0 to maybe a couple of 100 miles an hour in a second, a blink of an eye. That's a nice landing, isn't it? That's like the perfect one, isn't it? It's just like a piece of artwork. A lot of people think the lenses are made of glass. They're not. They're actually made of a precious metal called germanium. If I hold it up to the camera, you can't see through it. It's completely opaque. If you chat to any student here, when they're in the lab and they have thermocouplers, scopes, power supplies, lots of these different devices, and they're all recording, they spend so much time trying to align the data. And what we can do is say, well, actually, don't worry about that. You just have it all aligned through a timestamp, or on the back of the camera, we have sync out, sync in. So you can just do your recording, get back to the office, do a little bit of post-processing, export, build your 3D model. Right, you can all go home. My job is done.
Absolutely.
Go on.
The closest 2,500 feet was Ox Rocks.
What I'd like to do, if you don't mind, is actually give a little prize to Tom for actually organising everything and making today run really well. So thanks to Tom, all his crew and all of you.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. That's just a little sample of what thermal vision can do. So hit subscribe, give us a like, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you next time.